Let's look at this question as we discuss the class test 4. We want to find out the solution for this type of question in the future. Okay, so number 1A1, they ask for apparent reduction in weight. In Chinese, you can say 你成功减肥了多少？比如说我100 kg， 这样我成功减肥减了7个 kg， 这样我新的重量就是93 kg。So reduction means something that has reduced. So a lot of students they put 4, which is wrong. It's supposed to be, you're supposed to write this: apparent reduction equals to the actual weight minus the apparent weight. This is apparent weight. So you have 10 minus 4 equals to 6 Newton. The next thing is they ask for the buoyant force that acts on the stone. The buoyant force acting on the stone is actually the apparent reduction. So we can write 10 minus 4, you get 6 again. I would pretty much prefer if you could write your title, all this in a proper place, then the working here. They ask for the mass of the water being displaced. Sorry for the wrong spelling. Mass of the water being displaced. So basically, buoyant force is also equals to weight of the water being displaced. So you have the answer just now. The buoyant force 6 Newton. So the weight of the water should be mass of the water times G. Mass of the water times 10 equals to 6. So the mass of the water is actually 6 divided by 10, 0.6 kg. How about the volume of the stone? The volume of the stone can be found by putting this statement. The volume of the stone is practically the same as the volume of the water it displaces. Okay, how much you fill in, jump into the swimming pool, how much water you have taken off. Okay, so our aim is to find the volume of the water being displaced. Just now you were doing the question where the buoyant force equals to weight of the water being displaced. So you can carry on with this M water G. Do you realize M is actually equals to rho V? So rho V of the water G. This is also water. So here's 6. Then still water 1000. Volume of water unknown. So with this in mind, you can calculate this to be here. That will equals to 6 times 10 power of negative 4. Calculate carefully, because now you actually put negative 3 here. So if we get this value, I'm sure you can get the value of this volume of the stone quite easily. So the volume of the stone, 6 times 10 power negative 4. Density of the stone, why don't you just take this one? So you have, let's go back to the first page. The mass of the stone is actually 1 kg. Okay, the mass of the stone is 1 kg. The volume of the stone is 6 times 10 power negative 4. 1 kg. Volume of the stone, 6 times 10 power negative 4. So with this in mind, you have 1667 kg per meter cube. Okay, if you give me 1666.7, I would accept also. But don't give me too many. Maximum 2. 166.67 or 166.7. So there's a mistake here. It's stated there 2 marks. Basically, when they say state the principle, they're just asking you to mention it. So this is no other than Archimedes' principle. So you don't have to define it. You don't have to explain it because state. But the 2 marks is a mistake. So we agree that myself and other 2 physics teachers, we agree that we can give you 2 marks anyway. If you just put Archimedes' principle. If you write the long sentences, it's also not wrong. I'll give you 2 marks.